What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? My edges aren't slick, but I don't really care. I don't really care. Yeah, I don't really care. Hey guys, welcome back to Charismarietv. Today we did a chit chat, get ready with me, almost type-esque video. I'm saying all of the things, and I can't tell you what I said up till now. But if you want to see and hear we talked about how we got to this space, it was not planned. We were supposed to be doing no makeup, but that didn't happen today because once I started, I just kept digging in more and more. But I go into class like this because why not? But yeah, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, what's good? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today the sun is kind of out-ish, not really, so I'm taking advantage of that, and I'm about to head to seminar in about like maybe 2-3 hours. So I figured I should play like that cute college girl who has her life together. I usually go to my classes dry, like super dry, like flour dry, but I think today I'm just like putting like half a Q-tip of effort and just be like half decent because I have potential to be half decent. So I have like this little half a twist out thing going on, and I'm gonna do my not like everyday makeup because I obviously don't wear makeup every day, but makeup that's like, ooh, she cool. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. We're gonna start with moisturization on the skin. This is my favorite moisturizer. I feel like I should make this video like a Q&A. No, not Q. I always say Q&A. I mean like a chit chat, get ready with me. Because I feel like you guys know that I'm in university, but people really still don't understand what I actually study at university. So I am a student at Newcastle University. I'm in my second year doing undergrad. I study media, communication, and culture. Media, basically like multi-technology, editing softwares and that kind of thing. And then the comms part is professional communication. So I've done a little bit of advertising, marketing, direct marketing, personal selling. And this year I'm doing public relations because I really like public relations. I might go into PR. And I also did journalism last semester. I didn't enjoy journalism, but I'm glad I studied it because now I know that journalism isn't really for me. So yeah, but I at least have the skills, so I know what to do. And in PR you still need some kind of journalism skills, so I'm glad I took the course. As for the culture aspect of my degree, it's more like not historical in a sense, but it's basically like how certain aspects of thought or elements of the society has an effect on our culture and how that affects media. So last year we were doing media studies, we were talking about like active audiences and habitus and hegemony and that kind of thing, where like there's dominance in certain groups and representations, so on and so forth. This year, kind of like my follow-up from that is a class called Representations, Culture, and Identity. That class is interesting. It's really not really my favorite course in the world, honestly, because the topics just seem so like, what is the point? I had put this in my eyebrow. I use it all the time, y'all should know that. And I'm going to primer right now, collection primed and ready. Love this primer too. What I was saying, yeah, that class is more so about like case studies and then how those case studies could apply to other aspects that I might need for like my dissertation and that kind of thing. Because I'm also doing a research methods class to help prepare for doing my dissertation. I think right now, if I have to talk about like a practical job that I would do based on my degree, definitely would be PR. I like PR and communication so far. I'm also actually like thinking of doing a work placement instead of just going straight into third year. There's some really good options open. What am I looking for? Eyebrows. Yeah, there's some pretty good options open as to where I could go. So I'm working on applications for those. So I really hope I get those, but if not, I'll just continue with my degree as usual. But those opportunities would be really nice to get to. So yeah, that's like how my degree is. So I guess not really sure the video is, but I think I just put on the camera just because I mean I've been trying to record videos and upload them, but like the weather just hasn't been cooperating. Eyebrow brush, y'all see this brush all the time. It's the BH Cosmetics B10 brush. For some reason I've been trying to use eyebrow pencils, like get back into the habit, because I figure I use pomade so much and I don't really show you guys anything new in my eyebrows. But eyebrow pencils really aren't for me. I don't think so. Like I don't ever get them like how I want. It's strange. It's strange. I think it's a problem of habit, because I couldn't really use pomades at first, and then I just one day pomades were all I had, and it's the only thing that I used, and I just kept using them. So that's it. So yeah, and I kind of want to go for like a feathery eyebrow today. I mean, that's kind of how I like my eyebrows anyway, and for some reason when I use a pencil, my eyebrows always look like stamp, like you could see no hair in it. But I kind of like to see feathery eyebrows. I've been having so many video ideas, and it's really like weird because like last year I wasn't really posting, but now I post like I feel like at least once a week. So I've been doing the good, but it's just that, you know, I don't have like a skin tone concealer. I need to get my life. I don't have a skin tone concealer. I usually have a skin tone concealer. I like to clean up my eyebrows now, since my eyebrows are kind of thick, and or maybe I might need to clean them up. Do I need to clean them up? I feel like they could use a little cleaning up. But what was I saying? Yeah, I've been trying to upload, and like I have videos in my iMovie thing that I've been editing, but it's just like the quality might be good because the lighting keeps shifting. I have videos from like all the way when I had in my braids that I haven't uploaded yet. The eye brushes so I could find them quicker, and I still can't find them when I need them. So let's take some concealer, clean up my eyebrows, and then come back and show y'all. Guys, am I the only one who has like bad eyebrows, like good eyebrows? Like this eyebrow is doing the reading, and this eyebrow don't even know what class they have today. Like, come on. So I'm gonna use this foundation today because this foundation just is a bit, it's like a really good everyday foundation. I personally find that my foundation blends in better with a brush rather than a sponge. So I prefer to use like flat top buffing brush, round buffing, just a buffing brush, preferably a flat top one. It looks like a lot of foundation, but it's not. Or maybe it is, because like I said, it's a light foundation, you gotta build it up. So it really seemed like a good amount of you guys are like really not really excited but interested in my Christmas videos coming up. I decided that I probably would wait until like maybe November 25th to kind of start Christmas videos, because I do have other videos. Like I said, I have other videos that have been sitting down like that I should upload, and I have other videos like on the wall that I actually want to record as well, that I think would be good additions, and maybe I could save those for next year, because they're timeless, like they're not time sensitive, so who knows. And yeah, so that wall behind is a mix of like assignments and videos, so like each color represents a different class and that kind of thing. Yeah, I actually have assignments due next week, but I have started them. I don't know. Oh, the sun's going down, guys. The sun is going down. It's going down. Do you really see how like this foundation just looks like, ooh? And it's a really good match for me. It's not like perfect. It's perfect against like my chest, like my lower neck. But I can take my neck, because I don't know, my neck is just really dark for some reason. So if I match my foundation to my neck, then it's what it look like I was burning in the sun. And do you guys see the sun has gone down? It's gotten cloudy. I really hope this video, the quality still comes out decent enough for you guys can see, because I get it, like I don't have like a camera, I'm just using my phone, but it's harder to get like a good quality when the sun's not out. It makes the video really fuzzy. So collection Lasting Perfection concealer. This is the shade Medium Deep. This is one of the newer darker shades. And I use their foundation as well. So this company is actually like working on expanding their shade range, because if you see like all this stuff, whiteness, like this concealer actually is nice. It dries quickly, so to me I blend it out very quickly, and I try to blend it out with a brush, because I don't know, the concealer is like £3, sorry, but it blends out really nice. A good coverage, the color is nice, and for like an everyday type of vibe. What kind of skin tone? I didn't necessarily want that initially or plan that, but that's how the cookie crumbles. I'm gonna put a little bit of Sasha powder on that to kind of brighten up the area down there. But concealer doesn't really crease up like that. I'm not baking, I set that down and then I'm gonna wipe it off. If you follow my Snapchat, I did like a yellow look yesterday. Then I had like a green smoky eye the other day. So if you follow me on Snapchat, you probably see like all the makeup looks I do, but you don't ever see me post them here. I feel like a little cream might really hurt. Just gonna a little bit of cream here. Just a little bit. Like that ain't much, but won't hurt. Blending brush from Primark. Yeah, so I really don't remember what I was saying just now. Yes, so if you follow me on Snapchat, you will see that I have a lot of the looks. I actually have another Snapchat. I think I'm not working, but I think I'm going to switch over to my new Snapchat, because you know you can switch your Snapchat username, and I really want to change my username because I had Snapchat before. Snapchat was really like a thing. When Snapchat had just started as a social media thing, that's when I had Snapchat. So my name's a little nah, but I have a new one, so in case you want to follow, I don't really post on there now, but in the new year I'll really be posting there. So it's at I am Charismarietv, the same as my Instagram is I am Charismarietv. I feel like I probably should have gone with a brighter concealer because my face looks a little flat. Bronzer just saves lives, you know. Oh wow, that's I've really been liking hoops too for some reason, and wow, this side the bronzer is heavy on this side, like this doesn't want to blend out. I feel like now like my eyes need something to kind of balance it out. So I wasn't gonna do eyeshadow, but I might do eyeshadow now, or maybe not. I'm gonna take bronzer and put it on my eyelid, because that's what I would do when I was walking. I wore makeup almost every other day when I was walking, so this is what I used to do. Just get the bronzer on my eyelid. But yeah, try to get all my socials to be like I am Charismarietv, professional, except for YouTube. That's just say Charismarietv, but I am Charismarietv for like a professional snap, so that when I get famous I can just cancel, you know. I'm going to take a small brush and take the bronzer underneath the lash line. So this is a very bold blush. I don't know why I took out this blush today, because this blush is very out to your face, but this brush feels dirty. Why did I just smell the handle? I'm gonna stippling brush, because stippling brushes to me tend to apply blush the best. Yep, that's all. And put a little highlighter on the cheek. I've been struggling to find a good highlighter, guys. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I'm gonna use that one and then probably put this one on. Want something so today. I didn't set my face. I'm going to use the Boscia Wet Charcoal Makeup Setting Spray. Have this setting spray for years, guys. It's a keeper. And it's the False Lash Effect Extreme Length Finish. I don't know when last time I actually wore mascara, because if I do a video I put on lashes, and if I put on lashes I don't really put mascara. So now that I'm feeling finished, I'm gonna go back with the highlighter. It's like the highlighter looks soft, but like I kind of want it to pop a little bit more than this. So I'm gonna take Rayediant and just put a little bit of that in the front of my cheek. Just like this is the front part, so you see like pachow. Rayediant highlighter in the inner corner, just because it's like my eyes feel naked without it. And for our lip, this is LA Girl lip liner in the shade Maroon. This lip liner would actually be really good for like a red lip, but I feel like with that red lip today it would be too much. But then again, I could because I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I walk on the scene. I stomp on the scene. Recognize me. Y'all probably don't know that song. If you know that song, we are friends, obviously. MAC lipstick, because I rarely use it, and if it is on MAC. And it's the shade Diva. But I feel like I want to deepen this lip up a bit, so I'm gonna take a brown lip liner and like line around it. I mean, if I know I was going to do like a colored lip, I would have done a different type of blush. But I feel like it works, like it's not too much. And this eyebrow just needs a little filleration. So yeah, there you have it. I think that's it. I wasn't really going for this, but now that it's here and for it, I stand, I believe. And yeah, this is the look finish. So yeah, I can't wait to start like actually posting like Christmassy videos. It's a bit too early, but it's coming. But yeah, I just hope you guys keep watching the channel, liking the videos, all that jazz. Until next time, you guys have been watching Charismarietv. Until next time, peace.